Alright, what's up, nerds? Today we're gonna get this ugly battery out of here. We're gonna get a lightweight battery kit in there, clean this thing up. I have no idea why this is not focusing at all. Focus. Focus. We're gonna get a Odyssey P680, I think that's what it is. We're gonna get that in there. And should be a pretty quick install, but I'll just show you how. All right, so we got all this stuff over here. I've got my Odyssey Extreme PC680, that's what it is. And then the MeLe little battery box. This is the 1739. It fits a lot of different Subarus, but I'm gonna be using it on the 05 Outback XT today. For these parts, obviously need terminals. You can get these from quite a few different places. So just check that out, you're gonna need those. You don't need these, so get those out of here. Also for the Outback XT Legacy GT, you're not gonna need the grounding strap and you're not gonna need the grounding strap bolt. So get those out of here. This is all we're using today. I got the little clip guy, gonna go in there and secure the battery. Got this little piece, I think it's the J-hook piece. So it's gonna go on the back side where the J-hook normally goes. And then also this guy, which looks crazy when you get it, but all this wire is just to guide it up in there. And the little bolt, that's gonna go on the bottom to hold the bottom to that little recession where you would normally have a battery. All right, I figure I'll just go over the tools that are required. 5 30-seconds, hex bit, deep socket and standard socket 10, 10 wrench, adjustable wrench, and obviously your ratchet. All right, so step one, we gotta remove the old battery out of there. Pretty much just tins. So I'll get that out of there. I'm gonna film it, so I'll put this up on a tripod and then walk you through it. Gonna call that clean enough, so then I'll show you through the install.
Damn boy.
Also, another good idea anytime you're changing batteries, if your terminals look like crap, clean them up. That way it doesn't transfer over through surface discharge to the new battery, because that's not a fun time. And you got to replace these if it does that, and it can ruin the new battery you're putting in. So I'm gonna clean those up real quick, just make them look nice. So I got the battery out, got the terminals cleaned. It's a battery mount. It's got a hole in the bottom there. We're gonna use that in conjunction with this hole with the recession. And this little wire that's on it, that's gonna be used to pull this flat against the back side of this hole here. So we're gonna feed this through that hole, get it over to this using these wires to hold it up there, because it's actually going to thread in to that hole there. To hold this down. Then also use this piece here on the J-hook hole, just right back there. So I just kind of curve it. I think that's going to be the best approach. So maybe if you set this up first to where it doesn't move around all weird, and get it where they're separated, because you're actually going to pull these off after you get it through. Might actually make it worse, but we'll see. Okay, I see something I explained incorrectly, so I'm going to correct this real quick. So you're actually going to use that hole, this guy right here, not that one. So I'm going to feed that wire up through this hole now to hold it there, so I can thread something in just lightly to keep it there. I probably need to get the other side started first, so I'm gonna work on that. Then thread that up through when I install the box, and then put the piece on the inside here. So this piece, the like J-hook spacer that's gonna attach the backside, it's gonna have, let's assemble it real quick. You're gonna assemble it like this. So you're gonna have the actual bolt on the backside. It's gonna go through there. Big washer, spacer, and then the small washer and the nut are gonna go on the inside of the case. Yo, this part of this sucks. I honestly would just do this a different way. I like the idea of the wire little thread thing, but it's totally in the way of me trying to put this in right now. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is the easier way to do it, is just jam your finger in there painfully. Because I've got it lined up, and I don't have the stupid guys there anymore. There you go. Look at that. That took like 5 seconds. So don't use the little wires they give you, because that's annoying. Just go ahead and use your finger. Thread that puppy in there. Okay, so once you have all of that down there, you'll just tighten this guy up. It is a anchor bolt, so you don't have to go too tight on it, because it's gonna hold that guy super tight. Look at that. Sick. Now we can go in and fully tighten down that J-hook mount. So just a tin on the back side to hold it. And go ahead and give that boy tight as well. And it's not gonna, it doesn't come out all the way flush because this is a really short bolt on there. But that dude's in there, he's not going anywhere. And we got way more room. So now just to hook up the battery, I've already got terminals on it. They just thread in, super easy. So I'll throw the battery in there, get all our terminals connected, and we should be all good to go. So we got the MeLe battery mount in there. Got the Odyssey PC680 installed. Just need to test and make sure it still starts, which shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, definitely frees up some room. Pretty nice not having that there. I'm able to reach this cap because I have LEDs. So this cap's no longer like being crushed by the battery, which is nice. And yeah, shaves some weight from the front end. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna grab my keys real quick and just see how it starts. Woo! Let's check it out. It's beeping, that's a good thing. He's got some juice. You zoom out here. Look close. Oh yeah. Like I said, this car's got some miles on it. It's probably not showing right now, but it's in that 225, 382 with a built motor. And she's not the worst looking car with that many miles on it, so. Hey! Look at that! Yeah, so that is that install for you. I'm gonna get around to putting the air oil separator in. We'll walk over here because it's probably really loud. But yeah, good little battery mount. Not too expensive. It's like 200 bucks, maybe. How much was that battery mount? Yeah, 145. The battery mount itself is 145. The battery was like 190 after tax. So not bad, fun little mod. Like I said, we're gonna go out to getting the air oil separator on there, and I'm gonna let my car warm up because it's super loud when it's cold started. But that's all I got for you this time. So I'll see you later.